Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online courses. Last week I had someone knocking on the door from a new internet provider called Hyperoptic. And as we were talking, he offered me a deal if I switched to his new company. And it sounded very good, much cheaper than the deal I'm getting from my current internet provider. So I expressed my interest, I had a follow-up call, and in the end I called my old internet provider to tell them I wanted to leave. As I was doing so, the guy I was talking to suddenly said, "Well, listen, hold your horses. Tell us what deal they offered you and we'll see if we can match it." We often say hold your horses to someone when we basically mean slow down or wait or stop, because we think that someone's rushing into doing something a bit foolish, or we think that someone hasn't taken their time before doing something. Excuse me. Teachers may sometimes use the phrase in class. Maybe you want to give students a couple of minutes thinking time, you explain a task to them, and no sooner have you finished explaining than they immediately start doing the task. And you have to say to them, whoa, 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 hold your horses. Remember, a couple of minutes thinking time first. Maybe you sometimes say it at kids. Excuse me. You sometimes say it at kids' parties. Maybe the cake comes out and kids are desperate to get their hands on a slice of cake, and you have to say to them, whoa, hold your horses. First we sing happy birthday, then you get your cake. Maybe you've got a friend who wants to make accusations against someone they work with, and you want to be sure that they thought through their course of action. So you might say to them, listen, hold your horses, okay? Don't rush into accusing anybody of anything until you're sure that you've got rock solid evidence. And often the phrase that we use is just, whoa, hold your horses, stop and think for a moment, okay? If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it on social media with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comments section below. We'd love to see examples of when you might use hold your horses.